Hey guys, I'm about to show you a really easy way to add water to your level on your landscape. Stay tuned, it's only going to take a few minutes. It's going to be really easy. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're going to want to do here is I'm going to show you a couple different ways that, that you can do this if you want to add water to your level. First thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need a level because we don't want to do it here. I'd rather just create a new one, and I went to open, so just make sure file, new level. We'll just do a basic level here. Once we get in here, let's just click on all this, and I like to delete it and then go back over here to landscape, and let's create a landscape here. And from here, let's just make kind of next to our player start there, let's go to our sculpt tool, and if you hold shift and then is it shift? Oh, I wasn't pressing shift. Okay, yeah, if you hold shift and just press it down, we'll make this like little, you know, little cavity here. And I'm gonna move this player start because I kind of made the hole a little bit too big. And just take this and I'm gonna slide it over and maybe put him like somewhere right on the side there. Let's see. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so now we have this little cavity here, and we're going to want this to be water. Now there's a couple ways to do this, and one of the ways is there is actually a water material that comes in the starter content, and if you have not, if you're on 5.7, you're going to wonder how in the world do I get this, because it's not on here. I'll link a video in the description to how you get it, and you guys go watch that. It don't take 5 minutes. Okay, so in our starter content, if we go to materials here, it comes with this, it's down here somewhere. Yeah, this water lake material. And if you go to your outliner here and click on landscape, back to your details panel, scroll down where it says landscape material, you can just grab this water lake and pull it in here. And then you have this, and it just, I mean, yeah, it's water. But you know, it's just, I mean, I press play, I mean, it's just like, it doesn't fill the hole. It's not, you know, this isn't what we're looking for. And there's a couple of these. I think the ocean looks a little bit better, you know, that you can put on here. And yeah, it looks better, but you see it's not filling the hole. So I mean, if you're wanting to actually have like a lake here, you're going to need something better than this. So let's just go ahead and just set this back to our regular material. And what we need to do here is just go up here to our plugins folder, edit plugins, and we're going to search for water. Okay, and you'll see this one right here, which is just water experimental, full suite of water tools. Just click on that and press yes, and then restart the engine. All right, and yeah, we want to save this level. We'll just save it as water. Well, let's do it the right way. LVL underscore water, and then we'll save that. And never mind this right here. This is from a different tutorial. But yep, just give it a second. It'll load back up. And once it loads back up, you'll see that, and don't worry about this right now. Just click that, and yeah. That just adds something to your engine INI file. So yeah, and you can close that out. And now what we can do is go back over here, and we want to open that LVL water. And at this point right here, all we got to do, just hit this little plus icon, and then easiest way for me is you can just search water. And the one that we're going to want is this water body custom, because we're going to want to customize it. And just kind of drag it right here in the center, so it's down in there, and you'll see this little square right here. And from there, just go over here and make sure that you click the scale here, and we'll put this to something like 12 or 20. And let's see, let's move this over just a little bit, and we just want everything that's going to be covered in water, we want it to be kind of right in this square right here. And then from there, you can just pull it up, and just like that. And that's it, guys. That's all you got to do. And you press play, and we go down here with our mannequin, and there it is. We have us some water. And it could be a little bit bigger on this side. Looks like we got a little gap over there, so just you can adjust that however you want it. But this just shows you a little bit of water. And I know somebody had left a comment on one of the videos saying, you know, could you do a tutorial on how to do water? Well, here you go. Here's some water. And yeah, there you go, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe if you hadn't already, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.